In this guide, we're going to look at the easiest, safest way to find and delete huge unnecessary files that are eating gigabytes of space on your computer for nothing. Phase 1. Clear the hidden temp folders. Let's start with the fastest wins by clearing out the hidden folders most people forget about. For all of these steps, you will use the Run command box. 1. The prefetch folder. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type prefetch and hit Enter. Click Continue if Windows asks for permission. You will see a folder full of tiny files, old preloaded app data. Press Ctrl-A to select everything, then Shift-Delete or right-click to select Delete to permanently remove them. If a file says it is in use, just click Skip. 2. The System Temp folder. Press Windows key plus R again. Type Temp and hit Enter. Select everything, Ctrl-A, and permanently delete them, Shift-Delete. These are just leftover installer and app junk files, totally safe to delete. 3. The User Temp folder, the big one. Press Windows key plus R one more time. Type %temp, make sure to include both % signs, and hit Enter. This is often the largest hidden folder. Select all files and permanently delete them. Tip: if you see a folder access denied or file in use warning, check the box for Do this for all current items and click Skip. Phase 2. Disk cleanup. Now we will use the built-in professional tool to remove system bloat. Press Windows key plus R. Type cleanmgr and hit Enter. Select your main drive, usually C, and click OK. Important step. Click the button that says Clean Up System Files. This unlocks the hidden system junk. Select the C drive again if prompted. Check all the boxes in the list, especially Windows Update Cleanup, which can free up 10 to 30 gigabytes on older PCs, delivery optimization files, temporary internet files, recycle bin, previous Windows installations. Click OK and then delete files. This process might take 2 to 10 minutes depending on how much junk is on your drive. Once it's done, give your PC a quick restart and you should notice the difference immediately. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more quick tutorial like this.